Welcome to Community Arts. Today we'll be doing faux stained glass windows. Place your clear acetate on top and tape to your reference. This will keep it from moving around. Trace the design onto the acetate using a black Sharpie. Once you've finished, remove the tape and flip the acetate over. Color in your design using color Sharpies and set aside once you've finished. Lightly crumple your sheet of tinfoil, then open it back up carefully and lay it flat on the table. Place your chipboard piece in the middle of the foil. Wrap the foil around the chipboard and tape it together. Flip the chipboard over and place your acetate back on top. Make sure the side with the black lines is facing up. Create a frame around the acetate and the chipboard by placing a piece of tape halfway on the front of the acetate, and then press the tape to the back. Repeat this step for all sides.